When performing characterization of nanoparticles, transmission electron microscope data can pose unique challenges, including particle overlap, unclear boundaries, and varying contrast. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would measure the particle diameter and record the result. This manual process was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect and measure the nanoparticles. In this application, we are measuring both the total number of particles and the particle mean caliper diameter, ensuring that even when particles overlap, we are still getting an accurate measurement. We can also generate a report of the results. MIPAR also offers curve fitting. Let's open up the measurements in the Color by Measurement tool. To add a curve fit, simply check the Curve Fit checkbox and select the fit type from the drop-down menu. We can then output the detailed results into a Word document report. This solution works as demonstrated on a single image or a batch of images. We recommend measuring a larger particle volume to improve curve fit accuracy and statistical power.